Hi there, can you tell me who you are?
Hi, I'm Greg Rameau, the Executive Director for New York, New Jersey Baykeeper.
Greg, you're at the Assembly Environment Committee this afternoon in Trenton, where I think you and a lot of your colleagues in the environmental community were expecting to, before today, expecting to be testifying in favor of the release of a bill that grants more public access to the beach and to shorelines in general. And you were a bit surprised before you arrived here to find out that the bill is being changed or proposed to be changed again in a way that you don't like and your colleagues don't like. Could you give me a little background on what led up to this point? First of all, the way you all collaborated on what you thought was a really good bill, and then what was the changes proposed today?
Right, so we were really happy. Beach access and public access to both the beach and the northern shorelines has been a long-standing challenge. Many environmental colleagues and folks have had lawsuits to make sure that the public could access the beach. It's fine for people to have homes and apartments along the waterfront, but people have to have a right. Everybody has a right to their public trust right to get down to the water. We were very happy because the League of Municipalities, the environmental organizations, and the businesses had gotten together, they made some compromises, and we were finally going to codify public trust doctrine so we wouldn't have to. Previously it was all through common law and it was very difficult and messy. This would get the law enacted that we can all agree there is public trust access. There was agreement by, we always get told by DEP, if you can get the business community, the mayors, and the enviros on together something, it's a home run and it's going to happen. But late in the day, for some reason, New Jersey DEP said, well, we're not really comfortable with this and we want to make some changes. And some of the changes were relatively minor, but there was a really challenging and puzzling one where it essentially takes us way back to where it allows developers to build and not allow public access in some circumstances, which will affect the whole state, but particularly along the northern waterways north of Sandy Hook and up along urban areas, and where people need, like everybody else, have the right and need to get down to the waterfront to fish, to recreate. And we're not sure why DEP, very late in the day, this has been going on for years, decided that they needed to make some amendments which went back on what everybody else seemed to agree on.
Issue lives for another day, and we'll be back here again.
Yes, we will.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.